How to get unbanned from Wizz app. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna show you the ways to get unbanned from Wizz app. So if you've got banned from Wizz app, then what you can do is, in order to fix it, first of all, you can go and appeal the ban. So if you think the ban you received was undeserved or misunderstanding, numerous apps, likewise, Wizz also includes typical provide an appeal process. You can locate the option to submit an appeal within the app or on the official website. When composing your appeal, ensure it is carefully crafted message, admit any errors that might have contributed to ban, and express your dedications to follow the app guidelines going forward. And likewise, if the ban is associated with your IP address, employing a virtual private network or VPN or might assist you. You could go ahead and allocate a different IP address to your potential enabling access to the app without ban restrictions as well. And in certain instances, and ban may be temporary. In this case, the simplest resolutions may involve waiting until the ban naturally expires and practicing patience and allowing the designated duration to pass before attempting to access the Wizz app again. And although it is not an advisable way, some users opt to create a new account as to circumvent a ban. So however, these approaches should be approached with utmost cautions, as it may violate the app's policy. If detected, it could result in additional consequences, and only contemplate these options if others have proven unsuccessful. So in this way, you could go ahead and fix or get unbanned from Wizz app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.